Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today, in this training video, we will learn about document actions in DMS. Although there are several document actions available, but in this session, we will specifically focus on chat document action. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand following. What does the chat document action include? What is the purpose of using it? How can a user chat on the document? How they help in DMS working? Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have a tenant account and admin role with organization access. The user also must have the DMS form access. Document actions. These are the list of document actions available in DMS. First, details. Edit document. Checkout. Check-in. Undo checkout. Delete. Move document. Forward. Document access. Send email. Send email with QR code. Chat. Attachment. Subscribe, unsubscribe document. Copy document. Download. Workflow. Upload. In document. Out document. Enable AI. These actions are visible based on the user's access. In this training video, I will cover the highlighted action. Chat document. The chat action in the Document Management System, DMS, enables users to communicate and collaborate directly within a document. It allows users to ask questions, share updates, and discuss changes without leaving the system. All conversations are linked to the document, creating a clear and auditable record of communication. The chat supports real-time interaction, helping to streamline collaboration and enhance transparency. This feature is available to users with read access to the document, ensuring that discussions remain secure and relevant. Let us understand it by using example. For example, a vendor receives an invoice document from a company to review. While going through the invoice, the vendor has some questions about specific pricing details. Instead of sending a separate email, the vendor can ask these questions directly on the invoice document using an integrated chat feature. The sender can reply in the same chat thread, so all questions and answers are stored together, linked directly to that document. This way, anyone reviewing the document later can see the full communication history, making it easier to track discussions, resolve queries, and avoid miscommunication. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Click the AP Invoices 2025 folder to view all the uploaded documents. Then, select the Toyota invoice document and click the 3 ellipses next to it. These are the document actions available in the DMS. Select the chat document action from the list. This action opens the chat pop-up on the user's screen. The user can now enter the message directly within the document. For example, I am typing, "Hello, have you reviewed the document?" Then click the send button to post the message. Once the chat is posted, it will appear in the chat pop-up along with the date and time the message was sent. Click on cross icon to close the chat pop-up. The user can then click the refresh button to reload the form. As a result, the chat icon appears next to the document, indicating that a chat has done on the document. As this document is shared, the chat will also be visible to the other user side. To verify, log in with another user having tenant account, admin role, and organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. The user clicks the hamburger button to open the left section and selects the system-created inbox folder. All incoming documents are displayed here. The user can see that the chat icon appears next to the Toyota invoice document, indicating that a chat has been done on it. Next, the user selects the Toyota invoice document and click the 3 ellipses next to it. This opens the document actions available based on the user access. The user then selects the chat document action from the list. This opens the chat pop-up on the user screen. The other user can now see the chat messages sent by Jackson. Peter can also post a reply to Jackson's message. For example, Peter replied, "Yes, I have reviewed the document. A few changes are required. Let's connect on a call at 11:00 a.m. Then, click the send button to post the reply. Once the message is sent, it will appear in the chat pop-up along with the date and time of posting. Click cross icon to close the chat pop-up. In the same way, the user can continue communicating on the document, with all messages being tracked for reference. So, in this video, we have covered the chat document action, and the remaining actions will be explained in upcoming videos. Thank you,